Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Self Skill Coder. Hope you all are doing well. This will be my second video of this year 2021 and hope you all made your year resolution. Guys, if you are thinking I am focusing totally on theory, trust me guys, I want to make your all doubts clear in the introduction part about the courses or field I am going to present. Trust me guys, in the next upcoming video 20% will be only the theory and remaining 80% will be practical. So let's get started with our today's session. Please guys, don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit a like button. It really motivates me to create a new videos for you. So let's get started with today's session guys. In today's session we are going to complete two basic front end skill, that is HTML and CSS. Before moving to the HTML and CSS part, it is important to know about the web pages. Web pages are the document which contains the information, and these web pages are stored in the web server. So you can retrieve or you can fetch the web pages using your web browser. Using the internet, you can fetch these web pages from the particular web server. In next, we have to start with about the HTML. So what is the HTML here? HTML stand for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is used to create and design the web page. It also tells browser how to display the web pages. For example, I have created one demo web page for you guys. So here you can see there are different fonts for the hello world. So the first font is the biggest font and the rest are smaller than this. Okay, now using this editor, I will show you the basic syntax for this HTML, right? So what here is happening, that this browser is telling web server how to display the data, okay, how to display the web page. So if I want to display the hello world data in the highest font, browser will tell some codes to the web browser that the first text, that is hello world, should be the in bold or in the biggest font, and second should be lesser than hello world. Okay, you can see here, you can see there is a HTML, there are some syntax written here in my editor. So let's get started with this part. Now when the this web page, why it is written here HTML? Because browser understand that the web page is written in the HTML language. After the HTML language, you can see there is the head part, heading tag, and in between the heading tag you can see there is another tag in between the title and the link tag. Okay, what is the use of this title? So you can see there is one title here, localhost youtube index.html. It is showing the pathway. You can see this pathway, here. Yes, so if I write the title, for example, YouTube introduction, and I am going to save this. Now we have to refresh it. You can see the title has changed to YouTube introduction. Okay, this is coming from title. Okay, after that, after head, you can see there is a body tag. Yes, you can see there is body tag, and you can write your actual content in the body part. I have written here is the hello world. You can see hello world is printed here. So body tag contains your content. Okay, your information what you want to show is written in the body tag. So here I have shown you small example of the web page. You can see there are two design 1 and design 2. There are some format given that there is a header, navigation, sidebar, content, footer. Okay, there are some parts given to the web page. For example, there is a header part. Okay, after that I will give navigation part. Then okay, these are some section given in the body part or in the HTML. So same thing is shown here. Okay, in next slide I have told you about the basic syntax. I think you have cleared your basic doubt about the syntax of the HTML, but in the further videos you will be clear all your doubts if you are having some basic syntax problem in the HTML. So let's get started about the CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Here C means cascading, S means style, and again second is stands for sheet. So CSS describe how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen and used to style the element of HTML. Example, font size, color, background color. Okay, here what it is definition is saying that if I want to change the color of the H1 tag, okay, H1 tag to yellow color, okay, then I am applying the CSS to this web page, or say I am applying some color to this text. Okay, now you can see it is in the black color. Now I want to change the color of this H1 tag, so I am going to change this color. Can you see it has changed this color? Okay, the footer color is also changed because the tagline I had used here H1 is the same as this hello world. Okay, then for H2 is the hello world. Now I want to change H2 tag to red color. Okay, now say H2 color change to red. Save it and you can see it will change its color. Is it? Yes, it is changing its color. Okay, you can apply the background color. For example, I will apply background color to, let's say, green. See, it has changed the background color. Okay, so we are using the CSS to color the HTML elements or to make the HTML elements look beautiful. Yes, we can, using the CSS we can style the elements of the HTML. That's all for today's guys. I hope you all guys understood my today's session and continue further with new topics regarding this. If you like my video, please press like button, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Meet you soon. Ever till then, enjoy and stay safe. Thank you.